Okay, let's talk about Python's copy machine. We're going to see how you can take control of deep copy.
You'd think a perfect copy is always what you want, right? Well, sometimes it's actually the problem.
This was the exact puzzle a developer ran into with his tournament session class.
See, the copy was a perfect clone, but it needed a new ID and a fresh timestamp.
Luckily, his mentor knew exactly what was up. She called it the perfect clone problem.
So, when a perfect clone won't do the job, you need to call in a specialist.
And in Python, that specialist has a name. It's the __ deep copy method.
By defining it, you get to jump in and tell Python exactly how to copy your object.
So when you write this, you'll see a memo parameter. What in the world is that for?
That memo is basically Python's don't repeat yourself list. It tracks what's already been copied.
And this is a lifesaver. It stops your program from getting stuck in an infinite copy loop.
So how do you do it? It's a pretty straightforward pattern. Let's walk through the 4 steps.
And what's great is you let Python do the heavy lifting. You just tweak the unique parts.
And boom, look at that. The new copy has a fresh, unique session ID. Problem solved.
This realization is key. As the developer put it, it's not just a copy now, it's a descendant.
And this is the big takeaway. You've gone from just being a user to being a partner with a library.
But how do you know when to use it? Well, here's a little cheat sheet for picking the right tool.
But, and this is important, use your judgment. For a one-off copy, a custom .clone method is often way simpler.
So, save the specialist for when this custom logic should be the standard for your whole class. And this is just scratching the surface. So what other secret behaviors are hiding in your objects?